Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. It's a blessing we are in the Zoom meeting now. Let me introduce myself. I am Lanyala Tio. I am the host in the meeting. The presenter of meeting is Raika Fasa and moderator Shelvianti. Today we will discuss about manufacture of artificial feed. Now I give the time to moderator.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Today we will discuss about manufacture of artificial feed. The presenter is Reika Fasa, C-class 10 APAT students. This meeting is divided because for session first, opening, second presentation, third discussion, question and answer, fourth closing. No time to presenter his presentation. Okay, Reika Faza, it's time for.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. I'd like to present manufacture of artificial feed. Let's see in the PowerPoint. Manufacture of artificial feed. Preliminary. Cultivation can be classified into simple or traditional, semi-intensive, and intensive technology. Definition of artificial feed. Artificial feed is mixed from various types of animals, which is then processed into the desired shape, such as pellet. By mixing various kinds of ingredients, nutritional value can be regulated, as will with the appetite and digestibility. Advantage of artificial feed. First, can increase production through high density and short maintenance time. Second, can utilize agricultural industry waste in the form of residual waste. Third, the taste of the fish meat can be adjusted, namely by adjusting the composition of the ingredients. Raw materials. Raw materials of fish can be divided into groups. One, vegetable materials are source of carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, and minerals. Example, soybean, flour, corn flour, and the duck. Two, animal materials are raw materials from the synthesis process in animal body. Example, fish flour, meat flour, and food flour. Three, additional ingredients are additional ingredients in the food to make complete nutritional volume. Examples of vitamin, minerals, and antioxidant antibiotic. Feed composition. Can we see in the following table? Next. Equipment. The equipment is needed in fishing making are floor grinder, or disc mill and hammer mill, sweeping tool, mixer, meat grinder or pelletizer, and scale with capacity 5 to 50 kilogram. In the picture. Manufacturing method. 1. Making flour. Makes flour or destroys food materials into small food raw materials tools that can be used to crush materials, among other rice punching tools, which are usually made of wood and stone, coffee grinder, flour grinder, or disc mill and hammer mill. Two, weighing of raw materials after slipping, then weighed according to the composition. 3. Mixing. Mixing the raw materials is processed as possible until the raw materials mixed with others homogeneous. 4. Printing. Mixed feed ingredients are ready to be printed into pellet shapes. Various printing tools can be used to make pellets, such as meat grinder and pelletizer. 5. Conditioning. Pellets that have been formed should be dried by winding way. Packaging. Packaging after the pellet is cooled, then packed using a sack, plastic, or thick paper. Storage. So, in order for the pellets to last a long time, they need to be stored in a warehouse in dry, humid location, and there is no sunlight.
Thank you, Reka Faza, for your presentation. Now we come to third session, that is discussion. If you have question, please raise hand or write in chat. Lanyala Trio, please ask the question to presenter now. Question from Lanyala Trio.
Mention the requirements that are considered regarding the selection of raw material.
I think there is no more question, so it's time for Reka Faza as presenter to give a conclusion.
Okay, the answer is the material must meet the requirements, among others, high nutritional value, easy to obtain, easy to process, does not contain toxins, is relatively cheap, is not a staple food for humans. Thank you. Are you understand?
Thank you, I understand.
I remit you to fill the attendance list in chat before you leave this meeting. Thank you very much for presenter for your good presentation and for all participants. I give time to host to close this meeting.
Thank you, moderator. The closing is Reka Fasha.
Okay, the conclusion is making fish feed can be done easily without spending a lot of money by utilizing agricultural waste in the form of residual waste with the advantage of being able to adjust the taste and nutritional value according to needs and taste. Thank you.
We come the last session of the meeting, that is closing part. Before I close the meeting, live the picture. Please turn on your video. Cek. Apa CSS goblok. Gitu. Okay, thank you.